What's up, guys? Welcome back. Here's why your product page may not be converting. It's because your overall branding is not good enough. If your branding right now is looking like a mom and pop shop, like it's some random name, like, oh, mom and pop, flower shop or something, but you have to have a strong brand presence and branding, good branding on your store. So you see all these brands like Nike, Lululemon, they have a brand presence. They have a clear brand name. You want your brand name to relate to your product. It doesn't always have to, but that can be a good start for thinking about your brand name. And then having good colors that go with your brand. You don't just want white and black to be your colors. That's usually what most pages are. Usually it's just white background with black text and that's it. And you want to create a professional logo. That's not, it's important to have that, and it's important to have your own set of brand colors because there's color psychology. Different colors mean different things. So, for example, like light blue can be seen as more trustful and just more young and more optimistic, more vibrant, more happy. And colors like black can be seen as more mysterious, can be seen as stronger or bolder or different things like that. So different colors mean different things, and so you want your colors to look good. You don't just want like a whole rainbow of colors. You want your colors to be congruent. So if you have like lighter colors, you could have like light blue, for example, light yellow, and like red, for example, something like that. But you want to pick 2 to 3 colors that you can have related to your brand, so that way when you create your product page, then those colors can be throughout the product page. They can be in your images, they could be like different dividers or borders on your product page. And so it creates a more branded experience than just the traditional black and white product page. Because when you add the branding to, then when you have compelling images like pictures of people using your product, so you could create user-generated content, you could get user-generated content, you can buy it at places like Billo.com and stuff like that, where you can pay for people to create UGC videos for you and UGC pictures, and then you can buy them and you own the rights to them. Or you could get your people who buy from you to send you UGC. For example, you could do like, you could offer them, hey, I will refund half of, or your entire order even, if you send us a video testimonial of you saying, hey, why do you like this product? Or a image of you holding the product and you smiling. That's something that you could offer your customers. Or you could offer like, hey, get a 20% discount for yourself or for friends and family if you send in a video testimonial. But have something, offer them something, and you can get UGC and you can use that on your site, because the power of social proof, the power of having happy customers on your landing page is so important, because that will encourage more and more people to buy from you. Because automatically when we see people who are smiling and showing good emotions that we want to feel holding someone else's product, then we automatically associate those positive feelings to that product. So that's so powerful. Having UGC can be great to just increase the branded feel of your landing page and of your store overall. So having good branded colors, having a good logo that makes sense, usually a logo name that is that's related to your product somehow, can be great. Another thing is to have, UGC photos or video testimonials from actual customers on your product page, because having that and then creating, having a premium, well-designed, beautiful landing page can be very important, because all of it just makes your landing page, your store, feel more alive. It makes it feel like this is right for them. This is not just some scam website that's trying to get you to buy something. This is not just some random drop shipping site that's trying to get you to buy stuff. This is a legitimate brand that stands for something and that is truly carrying and offering a product that's valuable to me. And so that is so important. Branding is so important, because most people will turn away if they just see your site and it doesn't look professionally done and stuff like that. And branding can definitely help with that. Another thing you can do is to have a brand mission statement, a brand purpose. So why truly are you in business? And of course, your reason may be to make yourself money, so that way you can, escape the 9-to-5, or you can live the life of your dreams, to travel the world, whatever it is. But you want to also create a brand mission statement for your brand. So if you're selling like humidifiers or something, for example, you can say like, my brand's mission is to help eliminate child's allergies for, on the entire planet. Like, our mission is to help so many children be able to sleep better at night with our product, because we know how much of a pain allergies can be. We know how much it can impact sleep and how detrimental that can be for someone's health, especially if they have chronic allergies. And so that's why our product is committed. That's why our brand is committed to changing your child's life, to eliminating allergies, so that way they can feel their best every day, and it can put you at ease as well. And so that having something like that can be so beneficial, because one, it reminds you of why you're doing this, can help you focus on adding value to customers, but also it gives something that people can get behind. It gives something, a reason why they should pick your brand over others. So that can be incredible, guys, very powerful and very important to have. And that can also get you outside of yourself, outside of you just doing it to make money. It can also show you and help you realize, hey, I am truly selling to real human beings. That's sometimes what we forget when we sell online. But it can just get yourself outside of it can get you outside of yourself, and it can help you to really focus on adding value and helping other people, because that's what will make you successful, helping other people, focusing on adding value to them. That will transform your life. But I hope this video finds you well, guys. This is a short video, but branding is so important, guys. Branding and just making your page so much more impactful, so much better than just, most other dropshipping websites where it's just they put up a logo, put up a product page, use Shopify default theme, and that's it. And if you guys want to learn how to create a beautiful landing page, then I highly recommend you check out my video. It's called How to Create a Beautiful Landing Page That Actually Converts. You can find it under the e-commerce playlist on my channel. I'll also link to it down below for you guys. But hope this video helps. Let me know down below. If you want more e-commerce videos just like this, subscribe for more so you never miss another e-com video. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, y'all.